Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make kimchi at home the easy way. Start by salting napa cabbage to remove moisture and soften leaves, then rinse well. Next, combine gochugaru, garlic, ginger, fish sauce or soy sauce, and a touch of sugar to make a paste. Massage the paste into each leaf, pack the cabbage into a jar, and seal it loosely for fermentation at room temperature for a few days. I will walk you through ingredient choices and simple swaps to suit your taste. Choose fresh napa cabbage for crisp texture and vibrant flavor, and pick gochugaru for authentic heat and color. If you prefer plant-based kimchi, substitute soy sauce for fish sauce and consider adding a little extra sea salt for depth. I'll also explain optional additions like radish, scallions, or Korean pear to balance sweetness and crunch. I want to make fermentation easy and reliable for you, so follow these simple tips. Keep jars at room temperature for 1 to 3 days to develop tang, checking daily for bubbles and aroma. When the flavor reaches the level you enjoy, move jars to the refrigerator to slow fermentation and preserve taste. Use clean utensils to avoid contamination and expect flavor to continue evolving slowly in the fridge.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.